So finally, after getting Microsoft and cybersecurity certification voucher completely free of cost, we have one more certification voucher that is related to AI, and if you are a Salesforce developer or someone who is aspiring to become a developer in future, you can apply for this opportunity completely free of cost. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. The certification name is Copado AI. Now it is completely free of cost certification. How we have to apply, how to get the resource module, all things we are covering. So if you are a Salesforce developer or you are a release manager, QA engineer, or you want to become a product manager, you can apply for this particular certification voucher. It is completely free of cost. You'll be learning about Copado AI platform and its specialized AI agents. You'll be learning how to plan, build, test, and release and operate. So first of all, you can see this is the particular exam. It is around $250. Okay, in cost, you'll be getting it completely free of cost. The test consists of 20 MCQ tests, means MCQ questions. We'll be having 60 minutes to complete the test, and passing mark is 70%. You'll be getting 2 attempts to pass the test, and retake test is $250. Means only for the first time you'll be getting to attempt the test. If you're getting for the second time also, you can comment down below. Mostly, I think it will be for first time completely free of cost. Now, how to prepare for this particular exam if you don't know? Here they have provided the module. You can complete all these modules first of all, learn about the courses, and then you can try to attempt the quizzes. Okay. So first of all, here, let me just show you how you have to claim. But before that, let's understand the exam topics. So first of all, we'll be having platform fundamentals, which will include the workspace management, security, and platform capabilities. Second one is planning and development, which is 20% of the examination. That is related to plan agent, build agent, and VS Code integration. Third one is test agent, release agent, and CI/CD integration. Okay, it's related to quality and control. Fourth one is operation collaboration. Okay, it's related to how to operate the agent, Copado expert, and collaboration tools. So like this, there are all the things they have mentioned. Now let's cover some of the FAQs. If you do not pass after 2 attempts, then you need to just learn all the courses again. Okay, or you can create a new Gmail account or register in the platform and apply for this opportunity. After completion of this particular certification, you'll be getting the email directly where you'll be getting the certificate enclosed in it. You have to just download directly from me. So let's come directly to the login section. From here, you can sign in or sign up directly. So for sign up process, you have to enter your details. So I am an individual. First name, last name you have to mention. Email or username. Mention the email with which you want to register. And after that, click on next step. So this thing is done. You need to mention company name, corporate email. It is completely optional. No need to select it. From here, just select any of the role. If you want to select other, just mention you are a student or just select developer directly. Click on next step. Just select your country from where you are located. State over here, then just mention the ad directly or anything. Like where from you have heard about this opportunity. So you can just mention it. Just click on create account. Now here you have to enter the OTP which you have got on your mail. Just check the mail. Just check the mail and verify the code directly. And you can see we have successfully registered in this platform. Now here you have got one more email which will ask you to create a password. You have to just check that mail. Now on that same mail, you have to click on create password. A new link will open. Now while entering the password, make sure minimum characters is 8 character. Okay. It should be 1 letter, 1 number. You can add a combination of small and big letter also. You can add symbols also and simply click on create password. Now simply log in directly. So you can see we have successfully logged in over here. Now from here, simply click on this training academy. You can see all the certifications are listed over here. So here we have multiple certification. You have to click on this particular certification and simply you can see these are the modules. You can complete the modules also if you want, and after that you can attempt the quiz too. So click on add to cart, go to cart directly. Process is very simple. Now here you have to apply a coupon which you'll find over here. Let me just show you. This is the coupon. You have to just type it like this and just apply it. You'll be getting 100% off. Check out and it's successfully done. This is a very simple process to get the certification voucher. And now you have to just schedule the examination. You can go back to your learning section and complete the modules if you want. Or if you want to directly schedule your exam, how you have to do, let me just show you. So simply open it directly. From here, you can see it is having quiz also. Multiple options are there. So here you have to complete the certification quiz, right? So you don't have to give a proctored exam as they have not mentioned. It's a quiz only. You'll be getting the certification voucher directly. So you can apply for this opportunity completely free of cost. For more such opportunities, do like... So for more such opportunities, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.